Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn notice writing. How to write a notice, that you will learn. And today is Saturday, so we are going to do an activity related to coronavirus. You all are familiar with COVID-19, so for that, to just for spreading the awareness of this, so we are going to do one activity. Hope you will do it and just listen me carefully. At the end you will get the activity. So while writing notice, there is a format of writing. So you can see in this slide that a format of notice has been drafted, and here some of the points you can see at above. Like, first of all, we have to write name of organization, then notice in capital letters, and then on the left side we have to write down date when we are writing notice. Then in the next line we will write title, the heading, and then from the next line from the left side with the margin line, with the box, that we will write the content, in which we will write about the event. That includes the date, venue, and time. So this is about the content, the body of in which we the notice, in which we write the details. And then at the last, by leaving a line, we put signature. In signature we just write down the name if it is given in the question. And at the last we write designation. Means if there is a notice that you are Rakesh, and you have to write a notice as a head boy of the school, so you will write Rakesh, and then in the next slide head boy. So here it is. I'm going to tell you how to write notice. So first of all, what you have to do is draw 3 lines. Means you have to draw a box of 3 lines. Why I'm saying of 3 lines, that I'll tell you the reason. So first of all, here you will write the name of the school if it is given in the question. If it is not given in the question, so you will write XYZ school and the place. It is Delhi or Dehradun, whatsoever, if it is given. Okay. Then after, by leaving a line, you will write notice in capital letters. Then you will write over here on the left side, you will write the date when the notice, on the date when the notice is drafted. Then you will write the date like this. Then here you will write the heading, that is I'm taking a trip to Goa. Means about an event. If you are writing a notice about an event, so you will write the heading of it. If you are writing the notice of lost and found, if you are writing of lost, then you will write lost 3 times, or 1 time in between, just in the center. And if you are writing the found notice, then you will write found in between, like in the center here, or you can write down 3 times. Then after, you will write the body of the notice, that includes details of the event. And details means, I must say, that is date, time, venue. Date means when the trip will be organized, the date, time, the timing, and venue means place. Okay, so these things we have to mention when we are writing notice, and these are the details of the topic, that is heading. Now next is these, I must tell you that this body of the letter, it consists of 4 to 5 sentences, not more than that, because there is a word limit of writing notice. Then after, you will write here, after this you will write here the name of the person who is drafting notice. That is, if you are a head boy and you are Rakesh and you are the head boy of the school and you are drafting notice, then you will write Rakesh over here. But if name has not been given, then you will write XYZ or ABC. You can write this is name of the person who is drafting the notice. Then after designation you will write, means head boy, head girl, so whatsoever. This is designation. And then by leaving wall 9 you have to close this box. This is the reason why I told you earlier that you don't have to close the box in advance. So this is the way to write notice. So I'm going to tell you again. This is the name of the organization, and then in between you will write notice, then date. Here you will write this is a title, or you can say heading. Then the body of the notice consists of details, that is date, time and venue. 4 to 5 sentences should be there. Then name of the person and then designation of the person. I hope it is clear how to write notice. So next I am going to show you some examples of it, the format again, and some examples of writing notices of the events of lost and found and all found, and then I hope you will be able to draft a notice. So why we write a notice? A notice is written in order to inform the people or students, pupils means students in a school, about an event or an activity which is going on, which is to be performed. It could be a competition to take place in near future, or any other activity, especially in school, like an excursion, a meeting or a show. So these are the topics of writing notices that you can see over here: a competition, an excursion, trip, a lost and found notice, inauguration, exhibition. So these are the points when we have to write notice. So this is the format I explained you, that in a box name of the school, place, and don't put comma, no punctuation mark will insert, then notice and all. This is what I want to show you, that in capital letters you have to write the name of the organization, that is school, college, institute, club name, whatsoever is organization is, you have to write in capital words, capital letters. Then date of then notice you will write first, then date. It is there is a mistake, that first you will write notice in capital, then date, then heading and title or title. Then you will start like this: all the students are hereby informed that, and all. So this is an example you can see over here. See, there is a word limit of 40 to 50 words. If the word limit is there, you have to write in that particular words. So here you can see, at last head girl's name has been written, then the designation has been written. So in this way, this is the way to write notice. You just go through it, read it once. See, if it is this is about a notice about a science exhibition, so date has been mentioned, venue, everything. Here also this is a notice about green drive, so it starts from, this is to inform all the students that our school is organizing a green drive, and when, where, that has been mentioned. This is the notice about annual day celebration. Okay, so in this way you have to write notice. Now I am going to give you one activity. Oops, what is this? This is, what do you think? What is this? This is coronavirus. Yes, you are right. So initially I told you that I'll give you one activity that is related to COVID-19, and these are the pictures I have inserted just to warm up you. Now I'm going to give you one activity based on COVID-19. So Here it is. In this question, this we are conducting. Why we are conducting this activity related to COVID-19? Just to spread awareness among the people. So what you have to do is, question has been written that now you all have to write a notice as a head boy or a head girl of your school about the social distancing in COVID-19. So we all are maintaining distance, social distancing. We are going through it, so that we have to aware the people about it, about the do's and don'ts in this crucial time, that what we have to do, what we don't have to do. So all these things you have to mention in your notice. And name has not been given, so you will not write name, you will write XYZ and then head boy if you are a boy. If you are a girl, then you will write head girl. So I'm sharing 1 or 2 pictures along with this question, your activity. Hope it will help you. So these are some pictures which I have downloaded for you. So I hope it will help you out in writing notice. So do it, and I'll be looking forward for your homework. Thank you students.